Hello guys and good afternoon. There is a big news which is coming in right now, and this is something about TET or CTET. This is related to your CTET, and about which the Ministry of Education has taken a very big decision. Okay, and this is about the validity period. As you can see over here, it is mentioned very clearly here. The validity period of teachers eligibility test qualifying certificate extended from 7 years to lifetime. So this is a very good news for those teachers, those who have already cleared the CTET examination, and in case if your CTET certificate is going to expire soon, so now there is a big relief for you. You do not need to reappear for the CTET again and again. All right, because now your certificate will be valid for your lifetime. This has been tweeted by Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. See, this is posted on 3rd June 2021, that is of today at 1:41 p.m. Okay, it says the Union Education Minister Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced that government has decided to extend the validity period for teachers eligibility test qualifying certificate from 7 years to lifetime, with retrospective effect from 2011. The respective state governments and union territories will take necessary action to revalidate, issue fresh TET certificate to those candidates whose period of 7 years has already elapsed, he added. Okay, and in case if your certificate has already expired, so in that case you will get a fresh TET certificate for that. Okay, Sri Pokhriyal said this will be a positive step in increasing the employment opportunity for candidates aspiring to make a career in teaching field. The teacher eligibility test is one of the essential qualifications for a person to be eligible for appointment as a teacher in a school. The guidelines dated 11 February 2011 of the National Council of Teacher Education (NCT) laid down that the TET or CTET would be conducted by the state government, and the validity of the TET certificate was 7 years from the date of passing TET exam. Okay, but now, so this is a very big relief for all those who have already passed, because the government is ready to reissue them a fresh certificate, and you no need to appear for the CTET or any kind of TET examination after your completing of the 7 years or after expiring of your certificate. So thank you very much for being with us, and keep watching. Soon we will come up with a few more updates on this. So have a nice day. Bye bye.